What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. So I just want to give you guys a quick update. As many of you know, I am located here in Western North Carolina, and we just experienced a hurricane, tropical storm, whatever you want to call it. And you know, here in Western North Carolina, we just got pummeled with rain. Fortunately for me and my family, we're all doing okay. A lot of friends, family, not doing well, especially up in the Asheville, Hendersonville. You know, some of the mountains, Boone, Watauga County, just got absolutely hammered. And it wasn't so much just the storm that got us, it was the rain that really led up to the event. There were basically two pressure systems that were funneling a whole bunch of rain into the mountains of North Carolina. And then once that moisture hit the slopes of the mountains, it just released a bunch of rain. So even before the actual storm, we probably got 5-6 inches of rain, and then we got another 5, 6, sometimes even 10 inches of rain, depending on where you are up in the mountains. So fortunately for me and my family, we're doing okay. We've got some downed trees, no internet. We did lose power off and on here and there, but other parts of the county are not so good. I had a couple of friends who had trees fall in their houses, trees fall in their cars. We probably got 50, 60 mile an hour wind gusts here, which, you know, we got pine trees, and if you guys know anything about pine trees, they do not hold up well to wind. So a neighbor right across the street had a tree fall over as well. So again, we're doing okay. Everything's good here. Just want to let you guys know that. And also just kind of tell you that I don't know when I'll be able to get another video out. Thinking about the channel and thinking about you guys, I was planning to do 2 aeration and overseeds, one at a buddy's house and then one for a client of mine. I'm supposed to do that tomorrow. But when you get 8-10 inches of rain, can't really do that. And that's not really the priority right now. We're just trying to get everything situated. A particular client of mine has a tree that fell on in his yard. House is okay, cars are okay, and family's okay, but no power. And Duke Power here in the area doesn't really know when we're supposed to get power back. So again, as I told you guys in the storm, you know, leading up to that storm, the most important thing is taking care of you and your family. So if you were affected by the hurricane, my sincerest apologies go to you and your family. I hope everything turns out okay. I know prayer is a powerful thing, so I'll be personally praying for you and hoping everything goes well. And if you don't mind, just continue to pray for those that are affected. You know, it's a very hard time for everybody. Just a reminder to take these storms very seriously, whether you think they're going to affect you or not. You know, rain, wind, bad combination there. So hope you guys stay safe. Hope everything goes well for you. Again, I'll continue to post updates for you guys as I get them, but just wanted to say thank you for all the love and support you guys have given me. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY lawn coach. I can't wait to see you guys in lawn. Peace.